"You are my green" is a phrase that carries deep, multifaceted meaning. In its simplest form, green represents nature, growth, and renewal. It is the color of life, signifying balance, harmony, and stability. When we tell someone, "You are my green," we are acknowledging the role they play in our lives, similar to the vital role that nature plays in our world. This phrase conveys that the person is a source of growth and rejuvenation. Just as plants need sunlight and water to thrive, we need certain people to nourish our spirits and encourage our development. They provide the balance and stability necessary for us to flourish. Additionally, green is associated with feelings of calm and peace. It reminds us of tranquil forests, soothing meadows, and the serene beauty of nature. By calling someone my green, we are expressing that their presence brings a sense of peace and tranquility to our lives. They are our refuge from the chaos of the world, offering a sanctuary where we can find solace and comfort. Moreover, green is a color of hope and new beginnings. It symbolizes fresh starts and the promise of future possibilities. When someone is our green, they inspire hope within us. They help us see potential where we might have seen obstacles and motivate us to pursue our dreams and aspirations. In relationships, saying, "You are my green," signifies that the person is essential for our emotional and spiritual well-being. They help us grow, provide stability, bring us peace, and inspire hope. It's a heartfelt way to express the profound impact they have on our lives, recognizing them as a vital part of our journey.